Hello pattycakes, welcome back to my video. My name is Patricia and today I will be doing my makeup. To start off, I am using a Power Grip primer to prime up my face. I'm putting it everywhere, I'm rubbing it in, and I'm making sure it's well prepped before I start anything else. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. Yeah, it's just a little bit, you know, you don't want too much. I'm scrubbing my eyebrows, both of them, and then I'm going to be, you know, brushing it upwards to give it that nice stand-up effect. Sharpening my pencil, you know, it's very good, very good. I'm just shaping it up, drawing it in, filling up any empty spaces. This is honey, and I'm just using this with my little brush. I'm just using it to shape up my eyebrows to make sure it's very symmetrical. Both of them. I gotta rub it in, make sure everything is laying down flat for both eyebrows. And this right here is for my eyebrows as well, just a little bit, you know. This is to shade it in, to give it, you know, some color. This is Rare Beauty, and this is very good, very good. Taking off my glasses because it's about to get crucial. Putting it everywhere, my cheeks, my forehead, and my chin. Using my big brush to brush everything in to make sure everything is distributed evenly. This right here is a second layer of what I just used. You know, just to even out my face a little bit, to give it an even color. This is for any blemishes. I'm putting it little dots here and there throughout my face, and I'm just using a medium-sized brush to brush everything in. I start off with my upper lip, and then I go to my cheeks, underneath my eyes, to the next cheek, and then my chin, and then my other cheek. Making sure everything is distributed evenly. And then the final, my forehead, because that is very important. This is a beauty sponge. I am just patting everything down, just getting off any excess products, because you don't want too much. It'll look too cakey. This is tartar. Putting it underneath my eyes, and a little bit on my forehead, my nose, and my chin, and my upper lip. I'm seeing a routine, a pattern. So yep, you brush it in, you patting everything down, forehead, chin, and then underneath my eyes. Just making sure everything is evenly distributed. Making sure my face looks even throughout. So I am going to my other eye as well. Wow. Fenty Beauty, shout out to Rihanna. This right here is a little color brush. It matches my skin tone. It just, you know, it sculpts my face. I'm just putting it on my cheeks. I put it on my nose, put it on my forehead, and a little bit on my eyelids. I'm just brushing it in, making sure my face is giving definition. I'm brushing my forehead down, both sides, of course, and then my eyelids, can't forget that. And then for the nose, you gotta use your finger because it has to be precise, precision. You know, rubbing it in to make sure it's nice and even. And then I finish it off with the brush because you can never have too much precision. Rare Beauty, nice color. This is blush. You know, I put a little bit on both cheeks and on my nose to give it a little blush effect. You know, a little kawaii. Wow, the blush makes me look a little bit flustered, but in a cute way. You know what I'm saying? Gotta put a little bit more, a little bit. Yep, patting it down, make sure it's even. This right here is a little powder I put on top of my blush because I'm not trying to go a little bit too much, so it kind of like tones everything down. I put it on underneath my eyes, my upper lip, my chin, and a little bit on my forehead, making sure it's in there. This is an airbrush finish. It gives it that matte effect because you don't want it to be too glossy. You don't want your face to look oily. You don't want it to look like you're sweating. So that just mattes it down. This right here is, I put it underneath my eyes. It's a little bit of setting powder, you know, to make sure everything looks very uniform, looks very demure, very mindful. A little bit underneath my eyes, like I said before. Just a little bit, you don't need too much. And then I'm patting it down. A little bit on my forehead, I'm sorry. I forgot, I need some on my forehead. And this right here is translucent. It is, I use this a lot. You know, this right here is setting powder. The setting powder you definitely need, because if not, you're not setting it properly. I put some on my cheeks, a little bit of line work, and then I'm patting it down. And then right now, I am brushing off any excess products that I don't need on my face. You know, right here is another set of blush. You know, put it on my cheeks and my forehead. I'll pencil to the nose to give it a little bit more definition, because I'm trying to give off supermodel, but in a natural way. Using this brush to kind of like even out my eyelids, because I seen a little bit of unevenness. Right here is highlighter. Highlighter gives it that pop. I'm putting it on my my face. A little bit of more blush. You can never go too much with the blush, because you want to give that flustered effect, you know, and it's a nice color. And then I'm doing my eyeliner wing. This is very hard because I'm trying to get it even on both sides of my eyes, but we got it. Perfect, sharp and precise. Well, this right here is mascara and an eyelash curler. I'm curling up my eyelashes prior, and then I am applying mascara on right now, both eyes. And Dior, a little bit of luxury in there. You know, I gotta put some razzle dazzle, some glitter to show off a little bit of, you know what I'm saying? But I'm glittering up my nose and my cheeks, cause I like to be glittered up. My chin too, and then I use my beauty sponge to pat everything down. And I am using a lip liner. I gotta sharpen it before because I need it to be precise. I'm lining up my lips before I do anything else. That is the first step. Lining it up. Yep, very nice. And then now I am using lip gloss. Very nice color, pink lip gloss. Yep, very nice. And I gotta do another coat because I'm trying to do like a multi-layer colored combo. But yep, I am now dusting off any excess powders and products that I do not need on my face to make sure everything is even. And now I am using setting spray. Wow, I gotta spray it because I need it to stay. Fanning my face. And then I'm doing another setting spray because it's hot and I don't want my makeup to come off. Spraying it, spraying it, spraying it, fanning it down. And yep, I am done. I'm done. Look at this, natural beauty. I'm going for that natural look. But yep, thank you for watching. Peace. If you like the video, please subscribe, comment, and like. And see you guys in the next week's video. Thank you guys. Bye.